As an early childhood teacher consultant, I partner with guardians, other caregivers of children who are 0 to 5 at the education of those children. It's a little bit different than what one might assume from kindergarten through 12th grade. So 0 to 5, you're working with young children around multiple aspects of their development. So it could be gross and fine motor skill development, speech, communication, functional skills like feeding, social emotional skills. So it's a little bit more holistic. So my role as a teacher consultant is to partner with those family members at supporting those kids' development, no matter where their delay might be. We become co-teachers of their children. So it's very collaborative, and I'm able to work with them on a weekly basis or bi-weekly basis to work on tasks and goals that they work on every day. It's much different than in traditional public education where students are sent to school to learn from the teacher. The caregivers are partner teachers in the development of their children. Special education encompasses a population of individuals who need greater amounts of support than what one might call the typical population. Working in the field of special education is very broad. Special education in the state of Michigan serves children from the age of 0 through 26. It could be children who need very little support to extensive support in all aspects of their life. It's rewarding, but it's also very consuming. So you need to know a lot about yourself. What is your temperament? What are the things you're interested in? That's going to help guide you in knowing what area of special ed that you're interested in. Communicate with your guidance counselor, talk to another special education teacher in the high school setting. They are very dedicated and passionate about the work that they do. They can help be a mentor, share stories, give you experiences maybe with students in the building, just to give you an idea of what it's like. The most important thing is to be very aware of yourself. And so it's that desire to help those who need a greater amount of support. It's very fulfilling and rewarding to be able to provide that assistance to help them achieve their full potential.